Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to record voice in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down and click on phone. Then select phone. Now scroll down phone, locate call recording, click on it, then enable call recording on your iPhone. Now, when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone and you pick up the call, you will be able to record the voice. This is it. Once you pick up the call, then the next thing you want to do is locate and click on the record button. On iOS 26, click on the more option at the bottom left. Then go ahead and click on call recording. Once you click on that, support that says call recording. Click on continue. Then it should say this call will be recorded. Then after that, the call will start recording. And once you end the call, you'll be able to find the call on the Note app. Then, if you go ahead and click on View Saved Call, you will be able to access the call on your Note app on your iPhone. Like that, then this is the call. You can then go ahead, play it. You see that? And then you are good. So that is exactly how to record voice in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.